In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to submit a Zendesk ticket. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. All right, let's dive right in. The first step to submitting a Zendesk ticket starts with logging in to your Zendesk account. So go ahead and head over to the Zendesk website. Once you're there, look for the Sign In button, which is usually found at the top right corner of the page. Give that a click, and then you'll need to enter your email address and password. This will grant you access to your account. Easy, right? After you've successfully logged in, you'll be directed to your dashboard, where you'll see your list of tickets. This is your command center for all matters regarding customer support or inquiries. Now, here comes the crucial part. Depending on what you want to do, whether you want to open a ticket, update an existing one, or inquire about something specific, you'll need to find the ticket on your list that you want to work with. Once you locate it, just click on it to open up the ticket window. Now that you have the ticket open, let's talk about your next move, accessing the status menu. Look toward the bottom right corner of your screen in the ticket window. There, you should see a drop-down menu waiting for you. This menu is essential because it allows you to indicate the current status or action you want to take regarding the ticket. Once you locate that menu, give it a click. A list of options will pop up, presenting you with various statuses. Think of this as your toolkit. You can choose options like Resolved if your issue has been handled, or you might select Open if you want to keep the ticket active for further discussion. If you need additional information or clarification, there's an option for that too. So take a moment to decide which status best fits your situation. After you've made your selection, you're almost done. Here's the final part, submitting your choice. By selecting the appropriate status from that drop-down menu, you're not just making a change on your screen. You're effectively submitting your updates. This action alerts the support team about your next steps or confirms that the issue has been resolved. It's like sending a note, "Hey, I've updated this, check it out." And that's it. You've successfully submitted your Zendesk ticket. You've logged in, located your ticket, accessed the status menu, selected your status, and submitted your update. Zendesk is a powerful tool for managing customer interactions, and knowing how to submit a ticket effectively can truly enhance your experience. If you follow these steps, you'll be navigating Zendesk like a pro in no time. Thanks for tuning into this tutorial. If you found it helpful, please do consider subscribing and giving this video a thumbs up.